Hey everybody, game time here. Got something new and different today. Some 2018 high-tech baseball. This is a Topps / Bowman product. In this light, this looks like a big black dot, but it's actually there. It's a B for Bowman. You don't get many cards in here, just 10. I went in and picked up 2, which again, this is kind of goes against what I like to buy, but you do get 4 on-card autographs per box. So 10 cards, 4 autos, so you're probably gonna get a couple of parallels maybe, or different patterns, parallels. There's the odds if anybody's interested. It looks like you can get purple rainbow, green rainbow, ocean blue tidal, diffractors, printing proofs. Yeah, there's quite the variety, and there are parallel versions of autographs as well. So looks like the black galactic diffractor autograph is the toughest pull at 1 in 3,090 packs. Alright, let's get into it. Let's see who we get. On the front we have Ahmed Rosario and Brendan McKay. I haven't checked the checklist, so I don't know if it's possible to get some of the top guys like Torres or Devers or Albies. I don't know. But if it is possible, I hope that I pull one. That's it. One little pack is quite heavy. You know, the tech cards are that thicker hard plastic, so got a little bit of weight to it. Alright, we're gonna set them down and start off with a Shed Long prospect. I'm trying to see if it tells a pattern name on here. I'm not seeing it. There's the little number. So there's card number 1. Number 2 is Colton Welker for the Rockies. Ooh, it did get an Albies rookie, and this does appear to be a different pattern from the others. Let's see if it's numbered. It is not, unless I'm overlooking it, which I'm known to do. So there's a good card. Mitchell White, another different kind of a circuit board pattern there for the Dodgers. First autograph is Pavin Smith, which is it's a good prospect. Pretty good signature there. Again, not sure which pattern this is, but this is a good looking card and a good prospect. So good first hit there. And then we have Evan White, another decent prospect for the Mariners. Just checking to see if it might be numbered. I think he's a decent prospect, so that's 2 good cards. Castanura, he's been around for a minute. I don't think this is a bad card either. Our Brewers. Yeah, he's been around for a while. I think I was pulling cards of his out of 2015 Bowman, I think. So he's been around for a minute. I'm not sure if that's good or bad. And then we have a green Tristan Lutz. I'm not familiar with this kid. It's numbered to 99, and I can finally see where it's numbered there on the bottom. Good looking card. And then we have 2 cards left. A Kyle Wright purple to 191 Braves pitcher parallel. And our last card is another Tristan Lutz. Different pattern there, obviously. So that is it. Like I said, it's going to be a really quick break. I think this is a pretty decent box, though. Came out with the Albies rookie. Shed Long is not bad. purple parallel, the green autograph. I know this guy, I know this guy, I know this guy, and I definitely know this guy. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good box. That's it. I'll go ahead and rip this other box open soon, probably later tonight. I won't be able to stand it for too long, and I'll get at least one of these posted hopefully tonight, so you guys can check this stuff out and maybe use it to make a decision if you want to buy a box of this. It's pretty affordable, but again, if you're not into these boxes with just a couple of cards in them, then this may not be for you. So alright, that's it. Everybody take care. I'll be back soon.